Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Volvo XC90. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.2-liter i6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Volvo has less than 84,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.